Hi there everyone, this is a quick lesson on place value. Now this is going back some time to primary school when we introduced the place value, but of course it still has relevance, and of course if you are sitting the foundation paper, then you're not surprised if you're asked a question based on this. Alright, so quick recap in terms of what we're expecting. So thousands, hundreds, tens, units or ones these days, and tenths, hundreds and thousands. Alright, so that's what they kind of represent. See the decimal point being in the middle. All right, so this one over here, I understand that obviously it changes names on a frequent basis, so it's either units or ones, but everything else has kind of remained the same in terms of its terminology. So what is the value of the underlined number? All right, so this is tens, that's hundreds, that's that's tens, that's, dearie me, that's ones or units, that's tens, that's hundreds. All right, so this would represent 500. Okay, so 500s. 234.7, let's try this again. So that's ones and units, so that's basically 4 units or 4 ones. And then over here, all right, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, all right, represents 4 thousands. And then over here, well, tenths, hundreds, and 5,000s, so 5 thousands. All right, so even now, even with place value, sometimes they might ask you to recognize what the value of a certain digit is in a certain number, all right, even though I can't do it sometimes. All right, so writing numbers in words. Okay, so when you're kind of pulling this together, obviously you need to know this inside out, and I'm surprised if you can't do this at this point, but you need to look at it in terms of groups of threes, essentially. So the ones on the right hand side, this takes you to ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, so 121. And then once you get to about this point, these are the numbers of thousands, so 634,000. And then this over here, this is in terms of millions, so 845 million. All right, so essentially that's what you've got. You've got sets of thousands, sets of millions, and then obviously you've got your 3-digit number over here. All right, so millions, thousands, and normal. So this is read as 845 million, 634,921. Okay, so writing words, this one. So you got 5,462. All right. 203,720. And then finally, we're going to look at writing words in figures. So the other way around, so 4,462. All right, so think about that place value separator. So 4,462. 213, so 213,520. So that's going to be 213. And then 528, 528. And then finally, 12 million. So that's going to be 12, comma, 52,000. So 052, 914. So 12, 052, 914. So 12, 052, 914. There you go. All right. It might be worth a bit of a kind of practice. So please do go to maths-school.co.uk and make sure you're still quite comfortable in terms of writing place value, words to figures and figures to words, or as comfortable as we all think we are. Sometimes it's worth the kind of practice. All right, but thanks for listening.